Right, I've got some bits and pieces. Do you remember when I made that? Showed you how to do that. That was like hand stitched. There's lots and lots of things you can do. But I've got this that I made a while ago, and I want to do something with it. I'm going to turn it into a dangly bit. But I do have, you know, like bits and pieces. Remember I showed you how to make the brooch? There's videos in all of these. That one. Let's have a look now. I just want bits and pieces, so I'll be I'll be taking bits and pieces from that. But I've got some of the chain that I was after. So I want some of that. I'm going to use that colour as well. And maybe a couple of bits like that. Let's have a look. Do another one. Yep. One more maybe. And they're just what I cut from necklaces, etc. And I've got my beads out because I do want to make something with those. So I need to get a needle, a fine needle. It'll go through beads, obviously. I need my little table. Not table, my little pots. What did I do with it? Hang on, hang fire. There we go. Oops, oopsie daisy. Oh, I need to clear my desk off, it's getting cluttered. This is what I'm after. Oh, there's a needle. I tried to keep all my needles in one place. Right, okay, let's have a look. We're just going to put that to one side. We don't need those. But yeah, I made that. And it's not hard. I do try and share with you as much as possible. But this is the one I'm interested in. So I took a piece of felt. And these are those that you can buy on a strand. And I just put them around a large pearl. Now let me get rid of these. I might need to keep that one out. Put that back in there. And so I'm going to need some thread. I'm going to use cotton, I think, today. Just normal nylon cotton. If it works, if it starts getting messy, I'm going to cut it off and we'll do it again. We're only halfway through finishing the craft room. It's taken so long because it's a big room. But oh my, it's getting there. So what I'm going to do, take that down to there and do, it's what I call a stopper bead. Hang on. Just had to shut the curtains, the sun was shining early. Okay, so I've got some crystals out as well, or glass beads. I'm going to use a glass bead, I think. Let's do 3 of those if I can find 3. Oh, come on, you can do it. Now I don't want to break my needle or the bead, to be honest. Broke the bead, see? A little bit of pressure can break them because the glass. Hey, we tried it though, it could have worked, sometimes it does. So, let's look for another one. Even though they're all supposed to be the same size, they don't always fit, you see. And I'm not going to force and break any more. Nope. Oh dear, what a shame that is. Okay, let's try this one then. No. Yep, that's happened. So we'll do a couple of those, and I'm just going to do like a crystal. See if we can get it through a crystal. And then I'm going to go back to the smaller pearls. Because these are quite random. It's however you want them, see? So, now, let's see. We can do this beaded crystal with one of those. No, it doesn't want to go. It's just... That doesn't want to go. Have a look. That doesn't want to go. Try that one then. Try a flat one. And put a pearl on top. That'll do. And I reckon we've got to go down the middle. Now I'm going to go back through the top bead. Now we've just got to pull that down and keep pulling it. There we go. Just keep pulling it down. It'll shorten. Pull one end. Pull with one hand the bead and then pull the string with the other. And then just do that. And that's secured that on. And I go either side of the beads. Back to this side. Cross it over and we go back to that side. And then I'm just going to cut across. And then fasten this off because you've got to get ready for the next one. So you're going to need the needle and thread for the beads. Get my little snippers. But what I'm going to do is very carefully, well, I'll do that later. So first of all, we've got that one on. Right. So again, we start with a bead. And we oh, so that's come off. So I didn't realise. Now what I've done is I'm going round the edge with the iridescent one, and you just pop the glue around the edge and keep your chain flat. And I have to wait for that to dry. I can peel that off, but I want to be able to put it on again like a double one. I'm just going to pin that in that place like that, see, and then I should be able to go around that again. So again, all it is popping a bit of glue just to get it going. Keep the chain flat, like that, and put in the glue like that. You can fill it in afterwards and I'll show you what I mean by that. So I'm just following around the edges. You've got to keep the chain flat though. They start to look really elegant. So we need to keep the chain flat. Now I just want to get the measurement right on this. You can always add a bead in, if you know what I mean. So, as soon as we think that's ready, we can lift that. But you see, I've put some chain on. Just glued it in. That's that. And that's that. They don't all have to be the same length. Okay, let's see if we can lift this. There we go, we didn't need that. Now, what you can do is you can run the glue between the two and the fabric. And then you just pop it down on your deck again, press that in, and that will secure all of that. Now, where's it gone? In there, like that. Just let that set. I always like to try and be different. I kind of like that, you see. Just breaks that pearl up, doesn't it? I'll leave it. I hope this video's been okay and it's shown you what to do. Let's try and lift it again. There you go. And there, you know, you've made like another just something you can dangle from a project. But you can make them into anything. I mean, obviously, it depends what time you spend on them. This one's hand sewn. You know, just like that. Right, don't want to lose my needle, so I'm going to put that up. So, anyway, that's what you can do with them, and you need to go get your bits and pieces out and have fun. Now, I had these. I've just thrown one back, I think, because I've not finished. I like to I don't go overboard, but I do like to add bits and pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this here to there, and then I'm going to do the same on this side, like that. And let that set. And then when I lift it off, I'll just go over the two again and put it back down to settle. I've just secured that back on like that. There you go. You can use them as like brooches, you know, put it onto a pin or something like that. Anyway, that's how you do them. I hope you like them. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. I'll be back shortly with something else. Bye bye for now.